Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can transfer the pictures that are on your iPhone to your MacBook Neo. This also applies to videos that you took with your iPhone. Step number one, there's two ways, by the way, on how to do this. I'll show you the first way that doesn't require you to connect any cables, and the second way, well, you can do it using a USB Type-C. So without having to connect any USB cables on the Mac, you're going to go right over here on the top right corner, click on this icon. Where you see AirDrop, click on it and make sure you select everyone. And make also sure that AirDrop is turned on. Do the same thing on the iPhone itself. So I'm going to drag down from the top right corner. And over here, this is the AirDrop logo. I'll keep press on it. Where it says AirDrop, keep press on it. And select everyone for 10 minutes. Go into the camera roll of your iPhone where you see all your pictures and videos. And now you're going to press on select on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on any videos and pictures you want to transfer. If you want to transfer many at the same time, tap on one and then drag up like this, and you see you can select many. At the end, press this button on the lower left side. It's a square with an arrow. Then select AirDrop from this menu. And then select your computer. Mine is over here, Alex MacBook. You may see many different devices. Make sure that the screen of your MacBook Neo is turned on. If not, it will not appear here. So I'll simply have to tap on it once. It says waiting. Exit this menu. Okay, you see on the top right corner, you're going to see accept or decline. You need to click on accept. And then select where do you want this to go in your photos or save in the download folder. This is what I prefer, so I'll select that option. And on the iPhone, you're going to see a status bar right over there. You see it started transferring. On the Mac as well, the status will be displayed, and at this point you just have to wait. Obviously, if you have selected many heavy videos, which I did, many 4K videos, it will take a while. But if it's just to transfer a few pictures, it's almost instantly, so it may take only a few seconds. But again, if you're transferring long videos, yeah, it will take a while. Just make sure that both devices stays on. If the screen of your iPhone goes to sleep, try to wake it up because both needs to be on to transfer. So this is method number one. At the end, okay, you simply have to go on the download folder over here in Finder download, and yeah, all the pictures and videos will be transferred here. Let me show you how to do this using a USB cable, which is much faster if you intend to transfer large videos. Oh, in the meanwhile, you see it finished transferring. AirDrop completed. I received 20 videos and 20 photos, sorry, and 2 videos. So in my download folder here, if I open one, I can see them. They got transferred successfully. So yeah, let me show you how to do this using a USB cable, which could be more reliable and also sometimes faster. So you'll need a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. The one that comes included in the box with your Neo will work. Just make sure that it's a cable that supports data transfer. I'll put links in the description if you don't have one, so you can get one from Amazon. Connect one end in your iPhone and the other end connected in on the left side of your MacBook Neo. It's better to connect it in the first USB port since it will be faster. But if this one is occupied with something else, plug the USB in the second one. It will just be a bit slower. So once you connect both these together, the iPhone and the MacBook Neo, you're going to get this display. You simply have to click on Allow. Next, we also need to do the same thing. Click Trust on the iPhone. We need to open an app that comes included with your MacBook Neo called Image Capture. The easiest way to find it is to click this magnifying glass and type Capture. Here we go, Image Capture. You don't need to install anything, it comes included. You just have to click on Image Capture to launch it. And then on the left side, you're going to see camera phone. Click on it. And now you're going to see all the different pictures and videos that you have on the camera roll of your iPhone. You can drag and drop anything on the Mac. You can create a new folder as well. So if I want, let's say, to transfer this picture, I simply have to drop it over here, and here we go. It's now on my Mac. If you want to transfer multiple pictures, click on the first one. Keep press on the shift button on your keyboard, and then click on the last one. So you're going to select all the pictures and videos in between, and again, you can simply drag and drop. You can create a new folder on your Mac, put them there. If you don't like drag and dropping things, you can also select import to and select in which folder on your Mac you want the pictures to go. And everything that is selected, if you press download, will go in this folder. Or you can select download all, and everything that is on your iPhone, photos and videos you took with it, will get transferred on your Mac. At the end, you don't have to eject anything. You can go ahead, disconnect your iPhone. It will disappear from there, and this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if it was, comment if I can improve my video, and check my Amazon links to get USB accessories compatible with your MacBook Neo. Thanks.